Hi, I'm Dr. Chiapetto. In this video, we're going to guide you through a simple thoracic mobility routine designed to help stretch and mobilize your spine so you can maintain proper spinal health, as well as help you in between chiropractic adjustments and help you whenever you are experiencing pain, stiffness, or soreness in your upper back, shoulders, or mid-back. Feel free to follow along as we learn how to safely and effectively mobilize these areas with some of my favorite exercises. All right, so all of the exercises that we're going to be doing today are coming from a similar position. We call this the tabletop or quadruped position. And for this, all you need is just some space on your floor or on your bed, really just a flat surface so you can actually perform these exercises. So let's start with setting up the tabletop position. First things first, we're going to put the knees right under the hips, hands right under the shoulders, and we're going to actively push away from the floor, and we are going to tuck those shoulders nice and tight, and we're going to get the pits of our elbows facing forward. Index fingers should be parallel with each other, thighs right under the hips. Last component is going to be position of the neck. A lot of the times we see people jut their chin forward or they're looking up like this. What we want to do is keep a nice neutral spine. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually tuck the chin back like we're giving ourselves a double chin and holding the neck in this position here. Now, once we've established this position, we're going to take 3 diaphragmatic breaths. So breathing all the way down into your belly to create stability from the inside out. We're going to take a deep breath in 3 times. Follow me. Take a deep breath in. Breathing all the way down into the belly, expanding 360 degrees, and exhale. Keep that space. Getting longer and wider each time you take a breath. Take another deep breath in. And exhale. Keep the space, keep the ease. One more time, take a deep breath in. Filling up the back, filling up the sides, and exhale. Let it out. With any of the breathing throughout the rest of these exercises, I want them to be exactly like that. Now we're going to go into elbow twists. So we're in this position. All we're going to do is we're going to start rotating the arms, keeping the hands and shoulders exactly where they are. Keep that length. Play around with that range of motion. Proactively push away from the floor. Good. And we're doing that about 10 to 15 times. And once you get to 10, come back into the tabletop position. And we're going to move into our second exercise, which is the scapular push-up. So for this one, everything else stays locked in place. The only thing that's moving is going to be your chest and your shoulder blades. All right, so go ahead, pinch those shoulder blades together, let the chest drop. Don't bend the elbows, don't let the chin jut down. It's going to be really easy and tempting to do that. We want to keep it back in a neutral position. We're isolating these areas. And push up back into a neutral position and even round it out a little bit. And let the shoulder blades come down and pinch again. And then back up. We're going to do that 3 more times. This is a very small range of motion. Back down. And up. 2 more times. Down, squeezing the shoulder blades together and pushing up. What we're doing is working on that serratus anterior, the muscle that goes along your rib cage and goes under the shoulder blade to keep it stuck essentially to your rib cage. And back down, drop it down, last one. And press it up. Take a deep breath in this position. Decompress the body. Very, very good. Now we're going to get into some more mobilization of the upper back and spine. So these are cat-cows. So if you've done yoga, you've definitely done this before. So it's really easy. First one is going to be the cow. And what we're going to do is we're going to do heads and tails up in the air. Good. Taking a deep breath in here. Good. And as we go into the cat, angry cat, rounding the back, hairs on end, exhaling. Creating that space in between the shoulder blades, really rounding it up. And let's take a deep breath in, heads and tails in the air. And exhale, round it out, tucking that chin. Let's do it one more time, deep breath in, Heads and tails in the air. And exhale, round it out. Good. Come back to neutral position for a second. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add a wagging of the tail, right? Both cats and cows have a tail. And we're going to get some lateral motion side to side to help get some more mobility in that spine. So coming back into this position here, let's go into cow. Extend up, heads and tails up. Now once you're in this position, let's wag the tail. Bring the shoulders back down towards the hips, keeping that core nice and tight, working for that extension. Play with your range of motion here. Good. Now let's go into cat. So round out the back, tuck the chin. Now in this position, let's wag the tail. It's going to feel a little different here. Good. Notice what you notice, feel what you feel. Good. Come back into that neutral position. So we got 4 of the ranges of motion here. We got front to back, and we've got both sides. Now what we want to do is we want to incorporate some rotation, and we're going to do that with our hands here. So what we're going to do, one hand stays down. Let's take our right hand, let's put it up behind our head just like this. And what we're going to do, keeping everything else the same, we're going to rotate the arm up towards the ceiling. And we're going to do that a total of 5 times. So that's 1, 2, back down, and up. 3, arms and stabilizing legs stay put. Up, that's 4, 1 more. And up, there's 5. Good. Let's switch it to the other side. Find that stable support, nice diaphragmatic breath down into the core, hand behind the head, and let's rotate it up. There's 1, back down. Inhale up, exhale down. 2 more, inhale up, exhale down. Last one, inhale up, exhale down. Good. Last one we're going to do is we're going to do it with our hand behind our back. So take that hand, place it in the low back, just like this. And my shirt's starting to come up. We don't want that. So different kind of show. Hand on the low back, just like this. What we're going to do is we're going to rotate up. Same rules apply. And we're doing 5. And down. 4 more. And up. Exhale, back down. Inhale up. And down. 2 more. Inhale up. And down. Last one, inhale up. Down. Switch it. Keep it even on both sides. Make sure that we're proactively pressing into the floor. Not very hard, just enough to keep that stable foundation in the hands and in the legs. Here we go, 5 more. Rotate up, inhale up. And down. And up. And down. What you'll notice is one side might have more motion than the other. Inhale up. And out. 2 more. Inhale up. And down. And up. And down. Good. Shake out the hands for a second. Set it back down. Let's do 1 more cat-cow. And heads and tails up. Deep breath in. And exhale, really round it out. Shake it out, get a little wiggle in there, wherever that works for you. And there you have it. Nice job. So there's the thoracic mobility routine. You can apply these movements anytime throughout your day if you're feeling stiff, sore, or any discomfort in your upper back, shoulders, or mid-back. If you or someone you know has been suffering with long-term upper back, shoulder, or mid-back pain, this is a great way to help mobilize and take care of those areas, and is a perfect addition to specific chiropractic care. Like, comment, and share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to connecting with you soon.